This fun and tactile activity will help cement the learning for your students. We'll practice using the 120 chart to calculate addition problems. Since this is a Google Slides resource, I have that program open. This is just basic working mode. I'm going to go down a couple slides with directions. On this slide, I'm going to grab my yellow marker, get in the 2 column for 62, and I'm going to drag it down to 62 because that's my starting place. I'm going to add 6. I just need to move my marker across 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. The answer is 68. So I'm just going to pull down 6 10s, 8 1s, 68. Next slide, 33 plus 20. I can easily find 33 by going to the 3 column, dropping that marker on 33. 20, that's easy because I can count by 10s to get to 20. So I'm just going to say 10, 20. And I'm on 53. So I just pull down and I'm good to go. Your students will enjoy this activity and it will provide that great motor practice that will help to cement their learning.